Then Empress, oh, you have to eat off all the food and left none for you and I. And you not even wash up all the plate them either. I know star. Rastafari eyes. Watch out later and bridging forward, you know, seeing? Majesty, love and protection, my Lord. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yeah, 25 females, them on the easy.
25 alone.
You know, them when you're firing on the easy, you know, fire.
Rastafari. Then what happened to one from California there?
California, yo. Cut. Right now, listen, you see, me as a Jamaican, me don't know about nobody else. Nah, sleep with no woman in a bed, with no dog, and no woman, no puss, no rat, no ants. Me not depend on something there, so I cut bridging.
You talk about that at 3 times a day me have to walk. Dog!
What?
3 times a day me have to walk dog and take up all the dog shit. Oh!
Well, enough of that. Me don't want you. Right now, the 48-hour film project
was a real good look last night, my
Yes,
lord.
yes,
real
yes.
great look.
Great
I'm not
indeed.
joking. You see?
I respect the turnout we get.
Man.
Because when me see Mel Rainsberger at Lit Arts Araya and she tell me about the project, me get interest. Yo, the video right now, when I post from the event there,
Seen.
it clock almost 7,000 views.
My lord.
So, we respect the films that we show last night in a Avon Cinema. And, you know, it's only for wait for the result timing. But, other than that, the journey continue. When I say that I easy, I have a thing to make you hear. I want you to tell me your opinion upon this because the one Keisha from Jamaica sent me a message, hombre.
What you say?
Yes, and this is what I can't believe. Me can't when she sent me the message, I can't believe. Listen what she tell me say.
Greg, what going on? You not send the money for me to do my ear and my nails it. Eh? And the baby want money too.
She said, how me not send the money to do her nail and her ear. And the baby want money.
How where the breadfruit I say?
Yeah.
Eh? Then Rasta. You don't know say Rooster tell me say a Mark Ras breed it. I walk on.
Jano Star.
Huh?
Rooster say Mark Ras breed Keisha.
Yes, Rasta.
Come here, I wonder who breed
I
Keisha.
ain't tell me that.
Mark, alright. That's what I tell her, say, yo, you see all the brother that me, I got. Alright, hold on. Listen what Mark Ras tell me about Rooster now.
Yo, Amaziyah, I know you rate Keisha a lot. And I know some rate you. You see your friend Rooster where you rate? Don't trust him. Come see him go over Keisha late at night. A lot.
Alright, listen what I go on. Me, I go make sure send Keisha a voice message. Because I don't know foolishness enough fire. Enough time them see me go so bad man, I hold it umbre sometime in the have food in this. You get what me I say? So me not understand. Yo, right now Keisha make me loop me, I go send her a voice message right now. I make sure to tell her one thing. One thing me make sure I tell her, because I don't know foolishness, you know. I wish part her number there. You see, some of them people don't understand how I forgot you in a foreign and them things said easy. Them things said. Whenever I call her, I send a message. Yo, Keisha, me tell her, yo, listen what I say to you. I don't understand what kind of game you know I play, but I don't depend on play thing we don't know, you know. Who breed you, Keisha, because Mark Ras tell me one thing, say a Rooster. Rooster tell me, say Mark Ras come over your place. The other day, I ask you about that and you tell me. You tell me, say, he might come fix pipe because the pipe a leak. Mark Ras deal with tiling, B. Yo, right now. And you send all about you want from the film project go on, you know. You tell me say the Jamaican Poet where you see I go on with a bag of things and you need money, we not make no money, be right now. All of my money I bought tickets to go to the Boston JerkFest. And I write this to me I got there because listen what me I say. More you just stop call my phone, stop send me messages. Me I go take you in third world, Boston JerkFest in a Massachusetts, enjoy myself and just have a good vibe. So big up yourself and take care of yourself. Yo, fireball, I eat that, you know.
Oh, you mean Rastafari?
You know I got the JerkFest.
You know must man, me can't miss that for nothing, man. You mad in?
Them woman, you humble, me now make them mad me out, you know. You see what me I say?
You better not.